where have I been and what have I been doing this morning? Well, where did I go? I went down Valley Road, not much litter. Went into Bullamoor Park. They didn't look like there was much litter until you looked in the hedgerow behind, at the back of the houses in Bullamoor Park, where I found nearly half a bag full of bloody litter. Came out of the park, did a bit round Forum, East Road, round the treadmills, back up Crosby, down Postwreck, and back home. So I found a full bag of your general rubbish that we always find. Could you not possibly put it in that bin over there? Then I wouldn't need to pick it up, would I?